morning traders. Right now I am having a trade in the Nifty short side. Here I took my position on first candle or my I guess second candle, but I didn't thought that it goes beyond this, but it goes. And here we have monthly pivot round number. So Bank Nifty should resist here because it is gap up open and one way go. Here we have gap, so maybe this gap and 50 moving average also took a resist to market go up. And right now Nifty goes up, but holding just 20 moving average in this level. I also thought that it gave resist to market, and it get pullback till here monthly pivot and this black color support. Then we buy here at bottom, open gap up, goes to take resistance, then pull back till here, and then market go up. So let's see. That's my view. Right now I made here somewhere position, then I average out because it seems like here like form like a hanging man type at top of today. Now it is going in like a favor little bit. So let's see. Below this, my view is more concrete that it will go first candle lower here. So I'm not reversal. I'm not much confident. So I don't wait. 20-30 point is good. Right now my target is 30 point. Although here it is a 75 point. So I'm not sit in short side long. I even sit in long comfortably. See again at the first candle high and this support, it is took something like a resistance. If it is close below and goes so one way again, thoda sa sharp selling we get. Although there is a very wide CPR. So now I am again break even. So let's see. Bank Nifty also ready to good one sudden sharp fall we expected. 2000, 1600, 1900, 1500. Oh, very hard to here trade because market is strong today, bullish, but a little bit pullback we can expect here. Let's see, little bit we see. Otherwise we here put a trailing stop loss, so at least we close in a profit. One good spike we expect. 60% chance that we get good spike in sell side, at least this first candle low, or might not. Anything can happen. So I will keep you posted. So final traders, I book my profit here, and here now I'm looking for a long opportunity. So in my first trade, I book 9,000. I now maybe not to second trade because today is a Makar Sankranti. I enjoy, or maybe from here if I get till here fall. So maybe in short I get good profit. Okay, here is a 30 points ka profit, 40 points. I just 1 minute, 171 pay I book. So I almost book 20 points something, not even 25 point. So it is a contract trade. That's why. See now market is Bank Nifty break down this almost is a top pattern at a resistance. Here we have gap that is filled. Almost reached. Now it is might fall from here and took Nifty towards fall side. So here I took might be take a long side trade or just for at least today I close here. Now here if it is break out this level, then I go for long might be also, because now almost it what we can say absorb the gap up. From here it is like a again a one resistance. Now here in the CPR zone, maybe took this here resistance and go down like this M pattern, neckline breakdown. Now taste here CPR zone and moving average. Now this again push to go down. Bank Nifty like a see trend line breakdown. क्या हो रहा है यार यार? Possible if reversal trade we get. Here we have little bit first candle high. Almost 30 points we get in a Nifty. Let's look with another trade in Nifty long side. Might be it goes against us. But here what this monthly pivot and round number, it reaches and might be go up. So if fast breakout we get, so here we have, if the market is sustained, then go till next pivot. Same as if a Nifty sustained, breakout is remain sustained, then till here we have opportunity to trade. So just here I 23150 call options. I bought at 141. Here I have 78 point something K. I just seen 10,000 of profit, but right now my position is running in loss. So that is right now I am here looking for one spike. Now I am not waiting much because from here to here, it see Bank Nifty made big bullish bar, always going up, but it is consolidating. So one breakout, I am exit, and I'm not sitting right now in waiting for a momentum. Although after breakout, maybe here after this breakout, maybe a good bullish move I can get. but Nifty not interested to going up, and till Bank Nifty just see here from almost 134 point goes in our favor, then go down after here pivot and monthly pivot took support again, trend line ka breakout and see again 130 point 150 points ka from here breakout from round number to here. See now the gap is already filled. Now the further breakout due till this further to 300 200 something point. Now here I am now profiting I guess not 10, not even 10 point. So 10 20 25 point is good because it is continuously taking resistance in this CPR zone. Okay, and the CPR zones continuously bring him down in it. So again this trend line is breakout. Now here if this stays this previous swing high, so somewhere here if I get 20-25 points, because I am continuously average out in hope that one good spike I get, but it's continuously sideways, and now I am holding a lot of quantity, 600 quantity, and it is much riskier to hold. Continuously I can see here I also see 2-3 thousand ka profit. Here I also see 2-3 thousand ka profit because continuously I am increasing quantity, but here and here the points are different. Here in 6 point profit, 10 point profit, or 12-15 point profit. So now I'm looking for 20 point, so almost 12,000 something ka profit in this trade. If I got 20-30 points, and 9,000 ka profit I have in first trade. So that's good for today. Okay, just Bank Nifty again took like a double top, like if this important level this time it is breakout, which seems like give it because it's from strong bullish Maribosu type candles, but the Nifty didn't react on it. It continuously till here. See, Bank Nifty first candle high cross, and then previous swing also cross. It is not even crossed that previous swing. We have two previous swing right now. So maybe one good sudden spike. See, this is giving breakout. So once a sudden spike can give a good now 13,000 ka profit I have. Previously I also seen here somewhere 12,000 ka profit here. But that time my buying price is here. So I again that time also I have 6-7 point ka profit. Now I might be this pivot and this line again resist like this to go down Nifty. So maybe I am again going in loss. Right now 11,000 something profit. So it's very painful to we should don't want to trade in Nifty, but what management or security did us that Bank Nifty's premium make high, and now we have to compulsory in Nifty, and Nifty is not 1/10 or 1/8 move give us than Bank Nifty. Sometimes it give, but at that time we are just book our profit or we don't trade that trade. So it is very painful. Let's see how much Bank Nifty move and how Nifty move. Bank Nifty bottom to top is 250 points. It is not, I guess, even 50 points only. So let's I want to book 30-40 point in every trade, but it is not going that much move. It's on spot, it cover our view, but that not convert in our premium. So previous trade almost we got 40 points, which are target. Now here I also want to cover 40 points. If I sit and this give, maybe in second half blast 2 and 3 candle it cover this 80 points, so I can have 40 points in premium. But it is very risky, anything can happen. As options buyer, we should scalp or just hold little bit and then exit. Theta decay will very punishful to us. Now it is just gathering energy to break out. One good breakout, I exit. So right now we can see like 12,000 ka profit, 3,000 ka again, 3-4,000 is continuously giving us profit. Just one good breakout. I want a 20,000 ka profit, but 16-18,000 is good for me. Bank Nifty also consolidated. Maybe Bank Nifty again reverse from here and Nifty also follow him. So I guess I hear profit. Just now I'm not waiting much. Just I'm about to book profit. Little bit I wait. 1 2 candle. Oh, it should go up, but didn't go up. See how strong on 1 minute it trying to form candle. Now this again 20-day moving average above, finish on 15 minute also. It should go up. Just blast from here and 21, 15, 20 points ka candle one it form for us. Sustaining above it. $141. So 151 I guess I book 151. Okay, not even 20 point. 155 is 20 point for us. 16,000, 17,000, 18,000. Okay. Oh shit, yeah. At 18,000 I booked, but I got 17,000. Maybe from here now it blast in our favor and goes like this is what I expected before. But I want to protect my capital, so that's why I booked this much. So done for day. Now I don't trade again. Oh, very tough day. Very not tough day. The market is making it tough. Like, what about Bank Nifty? See, Bank Nifty is again approaching to breakout. If this again swings breakout, so it is go still here. Anything can happen. And in Bank Nifty, 23,255 is our first target. If it is still going like upward like this much, and 266, almost it is my first target till pivot or till this zone. Then this 50-day moving average can give direction further market to where to go. Okay, so here it is again sustaining. This is what I did today in market. 17,400, 80,000 I just booked 1,000, and here in second trade I have this much 600 quantity, and in first trade 900, 9,000 and 8,000, total 17,000. So that's it for today. So happy Makar Sankranti to all my subscribers, and see you tomorrow.